this video I will show you how to add published YouTube videos to Notion automatically. So whenever you publish any new video in your YouTube channel, the same video URL along with the title and description will be added automatically into the Notion application, so that you can keep a track record on all the published video from a single place. So if you also want to sync your published YouTube video data with Notion, come with me and I will show you the whole process step by step. Now to automate this process, firstly I'll have to integrate YouTube application with the Notion, and I am going to do that with the Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software. And here you can see I am already logged in into Pabbly Connect. You can also create your free account in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free task to test this automation. Now once you will reach to the dashboard, click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I'm providing the name as add published YouTube videos to Notion. Now click on create, and then you will find 2 boxes in front of you. So these are actually trigger and action. So here trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Try to understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application to your customer. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. According to our use case, whenever any new video is published into this YouTube application, then automatically add the details into the Notion application. Okay, so that is why I'm going to select this YouTube application and then Notion application in this action and trigger window. All right, now I'm going to connect these 2 applications with the Pabbly Connect one by one. Okay, so before that, firstly I will select the trigger event, and I want that whenever any new video is uploaded in channel with the video URL, the details should be captured via Pabbly Connect. So that is why I will select this specific trigger event. Now simply click on connect, click on add a new connection, click on connect with the Notion, and here you will have to provide the access of your YouTube account. Okay, well I have already provided this connection earlier, so I will go with the existing connection. But make sure if you are building this connection for the first time, you will always have to go with the new connection only, and after that you can also go with the existing connection. Now here you can see it is showing me the channel name, okay, whose access I have just provided. Okay, so this is my channel, and here the name of the channel is demo channel, and the same name is visible here. Now simply click on this button save and send test request, and you will notice that it will provide us the most recent data, basically the data of video which has got published into our channel, into this specific channel. Okay, so if I will show you the details one by one, so here we have the video URL, we have the embed URL, and we even have the publishing date and time, and we even have the title and the description. Okay, now I'm going to upload a new video in front of you, and then I will click on that button once again in front of you, and you will notice that how the details of that particular video will be received via Pabbly Connect. Alright, so the video has got uploaded. Here I will provide some random titles, something like how to contact Pabbly. It should be Pabbly Connect team. Okay, further I will also provide the description, something like in this video we will learn that how you can reach out to Pabbly Connect team. Okay, so I have provided a random description here, and now I'm going to directly publish this video in front of you. Okay, clicking on next. All right, and this is going to be public. Click on publish, and this is how the video will be published on my channel. And once the publishing is finished, I'll come back to my Pabbly Connect dashboard, and here I'll click on this button once again, and you will notice that this time Pabbly Connect will instantly capture the details of most recent video which has got published. All right, so here you can see it is the same title, that is how to contact a Pabbly Connect team. We have the same description as well, and we even have the publishing time, and lastly I will show you the video URL as well. Okay, let me open that. Alright, so this is the same video. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between YouTube application and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. And now onwards, every time someone is going to upload a new video on your YouTube channel, the details will be collected via Pabbly Connect in every 10 minutes, because this trigger will check for the new data in 10 minutes. Okay, because the trigger here is the polling based. Now moving further, I'm going to send this data in Notion application so that I can collect all the video URLs along with their title and description in Notion. Okay, so firstly I will select the action event, that is create database item, and just like we have built the connection in YouTube and Pabbly Connect, now I'm going to build the connection in between Notion and Pabbly Connect, for which it will ask you the access of Notion. Well, I am already logged in into the Notion application into a different app, so instead of asking me the access, it is asking me the permission. Okay, so simply provide the access of the pages, and currently I am providing the access of all the pages, but make sure that you also provide the access of that page in which you would like to update all the details. Okay, so click on allow access, and this is how the authorization will be successful and your Notion application will be connected with the Pabbly Connect. And here you can see, since we are connected, whatever the databases are available inside my Notion application have started visible here. Let me show you. Well, I have not provided the access of all the pages. Okay, well, I just have a single page only, so that is why it is showing me the single page only, that is YouTube published video. Okay, let me close this section. All right, now I am going to firstly delete this existing data so that I can show you everything from scratch, that how the details will be updated. Okay, so firstly I will select this database. Now it is asking for the date and time, comment, name and content. Okay, so basically these are the same details, the same columns which I have created into my Notion application. Basically the video title, the video URL, the published date and the video description. Well, I think something is wrong because it is not showing me the exact column names. Okay, so how about I directly click on this, refresh to fetch new item, and you will see that the details will be updated. I'm really expecting the same. Alright, so here you can see the same column names have started visible here, that is the published date, the description, the URL, the title and the content. Well, this is just a default column. Okay, let me show you. Here we have the title, URL, published date and description, and the same columns are visible here, that is the title, URL, description and published date. Now I'm going to provide the details in these columns one by one, basically in these fields one by one, and from where I'm going to provide this data. So remember, we have just received the data into our previous step, and I don't need to manually copy this data and paste it here. I'm going to map it, and mapping is very simple. You just need to click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. So basically it is asking to provide the date and time, basically the published date. Okay, so let me search for the same, and here we have the published at. Okay, so I have mapped it. Now it is asking for the description, so let me also search for the description as well. Finally, it is asking for the URL. Okay, so let me also map the URL here. And the last thing is the title. Okay, so the title was how to contact a Pabbly Connect team. Now you must be thinking that what is this mapping? Okay, so whatever the details we are going to map here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. And just in case if I will provide some data manually here in these fields, that data will remain same. Okay, so this is how this automation is going to take place. Basically with the help of mapping, this automation is going to take place, and mapping plays a major role inside this automation. Now I am going to click on this button save and send test request, and you will notice that the details will be updated automatically into this Notion application. So here we have the video title, the video URL, and if I will open this video URL, you will notice that it is the same video. Okay, that is automate your business with Pabbly Connect, and we have the same title, how to contact a Pabbly Connect team, and we even have the same description. Now come back here, and here we have the published date and the video description as well. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection is working absolutely fine, and now onwards, every time someone is going to publish any new video in your YouTube channel, the details will be collected automatically into Notion, and now your team can keep a track on all the published videos from a single place. And just in case if the data is not getting updated in real time, you'll have to wait for at least 10 minutes, because the trigger here is the polling based, so it will take at least 10 minutes to update, but your data will surely get updated. And to automate this process, you need to create this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account just once. And just in case if you want to access this automation, I will also attach this link into the description box. You just need to click on this link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.